Want to automate your Google Cloud IAM role assignments with ease? In this video, I'll show you how to use Terraform to assign IAM roles to service accounts on Google Cloud Platform. Whether you're managing access for your DevOps team or securing your cloud resources, Terraform can help streamline your process. Let's dive in. First, let's start by creating a Terraform configuration file to define the IAM role assignments. Open your text editor and create a file named main.tf. In this file, we'll set up the necessary Google Cloud resources and assign roles to a service account. In this example, we're creating a service account named myServiceAccount and assigning it the roles/editor IAM role. The members attribute tells Google Cloud which identity, in this case, the service account you just created, should receive this role. Once your configuration is ready, it's time to initialize Terraform. Navigate to the directory where main.tf is saved and run. This command initializes the Terraform working directory and downloads the necessary provider plugins for GCP. Next, apply the configuration to create the service account and assign the IAM role. Terraform will generate an execution plan showing the changes that will be made. For example, you'll see that a new service account and IAM binding are being created. Review the plan and type yes to confirm and apply the changes. After Terraform completes the process, you can verify that the IAM role has been assigned to the service account. Go to the Google Cloud Console, navigate to IAM and Admin Service Accounts, and select your project. You should see My Service Account listed with the assigned roles/editor role. This service account can now be used to manage resources within your project, such as creating virtual machines, managing storage buckets, or deploying Kubernetes clusters. If you need to assign additional roles or create more service accounts, it's easy to scale your configuration. For instance, if you want to assign a more restrictive role, such as roles/storage.objectViewer for read-only access to cloud storage, you can add another IAM binding block like this. You can also create additional service accounts with specific roles, such as a logs writer account that only has permissions to write logs. This flexibility allows you to manage permissions effectively, ensuring that each service account has the appropriate level of access. And there you have it. You've just automated the assignment of IAM roles to Google Cloud service accounts using Terraform, giving you fine-grained control over who can do what in your cloud environment. If you're looking to automate more of your GCP infrastructure, check out our previous videos where we dive into setting up GCP buckets and deploying Kubernetes clusters with Terraform.